The Alfa Romeo 1900 Ti has fabulous history and was entered in the 1954 and 1955 Mille Miglia by the famous coach builder Mario Fantuzzi, finishing 10th overall in 1954. The car benefits from a fully trimmed interior and as such should be a comfortable and competitive entry in this year's event. JD Classics have given this car a full restoration whilst being careful to preserve the terrific provenance of the car, which, due to its history, is a very important Mille Miglia car. The specification of the car was very advanced for its era.